To begin with, when you come to your dentist before any treatment procedures, be it caries or tooth extraction, you are required to have a professional cleaning of your teeth. Why is this important and why do it? I will tell in this video. If you are interested in knowing more about gum health, I will leave a link on the tip at the top right. One of the main stages of cleaning is scaling. Scaling is a method of removing tartar using an ultrasonic scaler. This is a special device in the dental unit. It works thanks to ultrasound and high-pressure water. It helps to effectively remove tartar and plaque. As you can see now, we are carefully scaling around each tooth. It is very important to remove all the stone and plaque in order to prevent a recurrence of the occurrence. During cleaning, the appearance of blood from the gums is absolutely normal. This happens due to the fact that the stone can get stuck under the gums themselves, and it is difficult to get it. Due to the hidden tartar, patients are often unaware of its existence and come to the doctor with gum disease. To prevent the formation of a stone at the initial stage, you should adhere to daily oral hygiene. Namely, use floss at least once a day and brush your teeth twice a day. I recommend brushing your teeth in the morning after meals and in the evening before bed. This will help you avoid losing your teeth in the future. Take care of your teeth, and until the next video.